Farming of Pixels token is live on Binance Launchpad, and we can just simply farm it quite easily, and let's see how we can do it without wasting any second. So this is the project I'm talking about, and it is a play to earn game. And if you check out its listings on OpenSea, then you would be able to find that the farmland is currently costing around 1.3 Ethereum, but you can still play it for free using the link on their official Twitter handle. I will also be providing the official links in the description just in case if you want to use it. So if you want to farm the tokens for this particular game, then just simply open up your Binance, then go to the option of more and open up Launchpad and Launchpool. Just simply select it. And after that, this is how it will appear. Now you can either stake using FDUSD or BNB. So in case if you want to stake using BNB, so you have to stake BNB in order to earn the Pixels token. So just simply select this option of stake right beside BNB pool and wait for it to load. Now this is how it will appear. And over here, you need to just type the amount of BNB that you want to stake and then click on this option of stake. This way, you would be able to stake it. And in case if you want to redeem your BNB and don't want to stake anymore, just simply click on this option of redeem. And the farming period is just for 10 days. So you just have to stake your BNB for 10 days and you would be earning Pixels reward. So this is quite easy and you would be able to trade them after that. And this is the play to earn game that Pixels is. You can farm and interact with other people over here. It's more like the earlier Pokemon games and earlier games that used to be in early 2000s and 90s. So you can just play them up. So in this start of new era, we are actually going behind the time and playing it. But the good thing is that everything that you will be doing in this game will be owned by you, as it will all be on blockchain. This is the beauty of blockchain technology. So that's how easy it is to farm the Pixels token now. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such videos, just hit that subscribe button and also turn the notifications on. Make sure to like that button. See you in the next video.